Alright guys, so from the last video, as it happened, exactly when I was trying to download the web platform installer, uh, more than half of Microsoft's websites went down, so the best of luck to me. So I have it downloaded now, left right where we left off. It's a really small download, really fast, it's only 2 megabytes, so it takes about 2 seconds to get there. Like I said, we were going to do WordPress, so we go type in WordPress after you open up the web platform installer, and you can see that WordPress will be right here. Now, this video is just to install the website on IIS. So if we would go look up the IP, obviously you should know what it is because we set it to a static IP. Mine, on the other hand, is not, which is a very bad thing. Don't do that. So we'll find out what my IP address is. Now I will go to Internet Explorer. Alright, and that's the website that we have now. That is what comes on the server when you first set up IIS. It's a basic website. It does absolutely nothing but redirect to Microsoft's website. So you will now click Install. Now, MySQL, I can't really go into too much detail with this. I might do that in another series on how to learn WordPress, but this is just to get up a website onto your server. The SQL database saves all the information on your website, such as usernames and passwords, a couple other things that WordPress uses. So this password is very important, and I know that because it gave me a random one the one time and I forgot it, so I had to reinstall everything, and it wasn't a fun time. So make sure that you know what the password is. Write it down, save it, whatever. Hit you agree. And we'll just let that install for a minute. So what this will do is this will install WordPress like it would be on a normal web server, such as an automatically hosted one. The components for it is PHP, MySQL, and WordPress. WordPress is very, very simple, easy to use, easy to learn. It's very durable. And what I mean by durable is you can use it for almost anything. You can use it for a simple information site. You can use it as a web store, like for e-commerce, and you can still use it as a blog, which is what it was originally designed for. So there's a lot of options for it. And since it's one of the biggest ones out there, blogging platforms out there, there are always a ton of plugins and themes that are designed specifically for WordPress. So you have a lot of options on how to make your site look, things that you can add on, like features, and it's super simple to use, which is what's really great about it. So now the web platform has installed everything that we need. Now we're going to configure the website. So we want it to be a new website. You'll choose the application name. That can be whatever you want. And the website name. So we'll name that Windows Server 2012 Test. And now you will want to browse the folder in which you would like to keep all the files in. So we'll just be simple, name it WordPress. We're going to assign it this IP. And there you can also add a host name, which would be like a domain name. Click Continue. and you want to hit yes, and you're finished. So what we got to do is, obviously you saw that it still shows up with the IIS website, and that's a real simple fix. You want to go to the default website and you simply want to stop it. The reason why that's showing up is because they're both assigned the same IP address. So now if we would refresh it, we just got to change a couple more permissions there, which might happen. This has happened to me a couple of times. We'll try it again. And there you go. You have WordPress set up. So we will just do the simple setup here. You'll create a user, an admin username. You can change this. I like leaving it as just admin. And you can type in your email, allow search engines to index this, which is what you would want. And I must provide an email. Click install, and success. So if you click login, you will go to the login screen. And if you just go right back to the IP address, there you go. You have a website. So if you were on any machine on your local network and you type in this IP address in Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, it will show up. In another video, possibly later on, not on this website, it would be on another playlist on my channel, we could see how you would take the local IP and actually have it sent out through an external IP to the internet. But like I said, that would be another video. That's the end of this playlist on how to configure Windows Server 2012 for a website. Thank you very much.